Here is how to schedule shifts on ZoomShift, fast and easy. First, log into your ZoomShift dashboard using the mobile app or web browser. From the sidebar, click on Schedule to view your team's calendar. Pick the day you want to schedule the shift for. Click the plus button or tap directly on the time slot for a specific employee. In the shift window, enter the start and end time and assign the team member and position. You can also add optional details like the location, notes, or mark the shift recurring. Once others pick up the shift, mark it as open so team members can claim it themselves. When you're ready, tap Save or Publish and your employee will get a notification right away. Repeat the process for additional days or team members to quickly build your weekly schedule. And that's how to schedule shifts on ZoomShift. Simple, flexible, and built for managing teams efficiently. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.